Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact pinout for your Profibus device and the connector type, because wiring differences break networks. Once confirmed, clamp the cable, measure 25 to 30 mm, and score the outer jacket, then peel it back. Make sure you expose the braid and the inner twisted pair without cutting insulation. You want clean, intact conductors. Nicked wires create intermittent faults. Keep the shield braid folded back in tin, or prepare ferrules on conductors now, so the next steps go smoothly. Now identify the A and B conductors and keep them paired. Maintain twist as close to the termination as possible to preserve signal integrity. Strip about 6 mm of each conductor, fit ferrules or lightly tin the ends, and insert them into the designated connector pins according to your pinout diagram. Once seated, tighten the terminal screws firmly. Use the specified torque if available, so contacts don't loosen. Fold the shield braid onto the connector body, and fasten the clamp to ensure a solid ground and noise. Reassemble the connector housing and fit the strain relief, making sure the cable can't move and stress the terminations. Next, test with a multimeter. Confirm continuity on the A/B pair, verify there are no shorts to shield, and check connector to shield continuity. Once plugged in, observe link lights or run a bus diagnostic. If the network still fails, swap NB to rule out polarity, ensure the shield is firmly connected, and verify that proper bus termination resistors are present at segment ends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.